In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove suggested users on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Messenger. And after that, if we tap right here to create a new message, it will show us some suggested users here in this list. However, let's say we don't want to see some certain users in our suggested list, and now I'm going to show you how we can easily hide them from here. To do that, we need to hit cancel and then just go to menu by tapping at this 3 lines button. After that, tap at that gear to go to settings, then go to privacy and safety. And somewhere here towards the top you will find hidden contacts. And then if you would like to remove some suggested users, actually you can just hide them by adding them to this list. To do that, hit right here at add, then search for a user you would like to hide, select them, and they will be immediately added to this list. And in this way we can keep doing the same actions, and that's how we can hide users from suggested one by one simply by adding them to this list. And also from here later on, if we change our mind, we can easily also unhide any user by tapping at unhide button. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.